New to Asana? Let's take a quick tour. From the top bar, you can access your settings, search for work, or create new items. Use the sidebar to move between different spaces in Asana and invite teammates. Star important items to add them to your sidebar, and collapse it if you need more room. From any project, click on the right side of a task to see its details and add comments. Focus on today's task by using full screen mode. Click in to see details for a subtask. And find your way back to the parent task or project with the links above the task title. Collapse the task to get back to your project. Now that you know your way around, start exploring. Head to the Asana Help Center to learn more.